We are pleased to show you the 2025 Prius. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, low tire pressure warning. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.